What's going on, everyone? So is Tesla going to split? Are they going to approve this? What's going on? What's going to happen with the price of the stock? Let me be the first to tell you, as retail traders, we have no idea, right? I can sit here and tell you that Tesla's going higher. I can sit here and tell you and feed you the same nonsense. Tesla's going lower. I'm going to give you a perspective from both sides of the analysis here. The bull case, we had a ton of $1,000 call options coming in. We had them coming in on Monday. We also had them coming in today. So could this rip and explode over $942, which is today's high, right around that range, and then rip to 1,000? That's 100% possible. So how do we play Tesla, right? This stock's going to move all around between now and the after hours and pre-market and right off the bell. If we do take out the pre-market highs, because I'm going to assume a bull scenario here, I'm going to say that, let's say we get close to $940. If we take out the 942 highs, what we're going to need to see happen here is we're going to need to see Tesla get over the pre-market highs. So whatever that number is in pre-market, that's the number we're waiting for. That's the entry that we want to take. And we're looking for a $955 to $1,000 price target. I know that's a big range, but Tesla has a big range where it can go. So if we open up green or any sort of gap up on Tesla, what we are looking for is the pre-market high. We're going to take that pre-market high, and when the market opens, if we confirm that price action, I hope that if you're playing 0 days till expiration, you have scalp mode mentality, so you're going to size accordingly. You're going to get into the trade, and when you do get profits, you're going to take it, right? Regardless if the stock goes up $100 after you exit, what I want you guys to focus on is taking profits. I do not want any of my traders losing money, okay? If we can prevent it. Now, there's some situations and scenarios where we can't prevent it, right? The setup looks great, the price action is great. Next thing you know, some headline comes across the board, everything dumps. There's nothing we can do about that. What we can do is exiting a trade when it's failed, right? What we can do is use a stop loss. What we can do is take profits when we got them, right? Do not be greedy. I'm telling you, especially with a stock like Tesla, the moment you start getting greedy and you want more and more and more, this thing will absolutely destroy you. Now, to the downside, there was also $900 puts coming in. So what is that telling you? One guy's saying it's going this way, one guy's saying it's going that way. We had big bets coming in for 900. Here's the bear scenario, okay? Here's the bear scenario. Let's say we do put in some sort of high and then we start to lose steam in the pre-market. If Tesla does break down below its daily 200-day moving average, which is this yellow line you see here, that's going to be correlated with the 5. Anything below 905 is going to have room to stretch down. The next support is going to be 862. Not saying that it's coming all the way down, but that's what we have to kind of work with here. So if you're sitting in calls overnight and this thing starts to fade and it starts to lose 905 and it starts to lose 900, you might want to think about getting out and just taking whatever damage is done, because the moment you don't take the damage is the moment that day Tesla trades down to 863 and your contracts go to 0. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. Guys, I'm going to be the most upfront and real technical analysis trader with you guys, okay? I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat anything. I'm never going to tell you that something's going to the moon. I'm never going to sit here and tell you, don't take profits, try to make more, go for 300% winners. I'll sit here and tell you to take 20 to 30% on your money all day, every day. Because if you want to be consistent and you actually want to grow and you actually want to survive in this business, taking 10, 15, 20, 30% is how you stay in business. That's how you run a business, guys. It's not about trying to hit home runs here and mark 200%. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're in calls and you bought them somewhere near the lows today and this thing shoots up over 950 and goes to 1,000, yeah, you might be making 500% tomorrow, right? And kudos to you. That's a home run. Those don't come often. Don't look to always try to do that, because the moment you try to replicate that and try to do that over and over is the moment you start chopping yourself up and all around, right? So over 942 bullish, or if we are over 942 in the morning, take the pre-market high. Over pre-market high into 1,000, okay, 955 is going to be some sort of resistance for, minor resistance. 955 and over, you got room to 1,000. Anything below 900, you have room down to 861. That's the way to play it, right? No one's going to sit here and tell you that they know where the stock is going. No one's going to sit here and tell you, well, what's Tesla doing tomorrow? I don't know. I don't think anyone knows. If we knew, we'd all be millionaires, right? If I knew what Tesla was going to do tomorrow, you can guarantee that I would be full porting my 6-figure portfolio, my account size, into Tesla, but I don't. So I have to sit here like everyone else and react to the price action. Guys, if you want to take a realistic approach to trading and you actually want to make money and stop screwing around, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I'm going to be real with you, be upfront. I'm going to give you guys all of my strategies. I'm going to give you guys all of my watch lists. I'm going to talk to you guys intraday, and you're going to trade with over 50 other traders who are doing this on a day in and day out basis. I have over 100 students and 50 active traders who are actively trading each and every single day. If you guys want to take advantage of that, all that information is down in the description box below, and I'll catch you guys all next time.